It's Colin with the Knox County Fire Bureau, and welcome to the 5th video in our 7-part Pro Tip series entitled At Home with Fire Safety, The Essentials. Now, to catch us up, we've spent some time learning about the importance of having a home fire escape plan and what those components are. We've taken time to look at the kitchen, we've spent some time in family rooms and living rooms, even visited my son's bedroom. And now we're on to the most unique room on that list, and that's the laundry room. Here in the laundry room we use heat from the clothes dryer to dry our clothes. And in that process, the dryer will create lint. And it has a lint trap, which I'm sure we all routinely clean out as part of our household chores and doing laundry. But how often are you pulling the dryer away from the wall to clean out the exhaust at the rear of your dryer that penetrates the wall and then exits to the outside of your house? We would always recommend that you do this as frequently as you feel you need to. And here in Tennessee, lucky for us, licensed chimney sweeps are also doing this job in addition to maintaining your fireplaces, whether they be gas or wood burning. So there are professionals out there that can guide you through and complete this repair for you on a routine basis, and we would always encourage you to do that. Now, we have done a video here on our YouTube channel, we'll put a link to it in this video's description, that shows you how easy it is to pull the dryer away from the wall, disconnect that hose, examine that hose for any excess lint and the tools that you'll need for that. But the important part is making sure that the pipe, as it passes through your home inside the wall where we can't see it, is also free from accumulated lint. That accumulated lint over time, and that part of that heating and cooling process of just using your dryer, becomes more and more fragile, more and more brittle, and more a dangerous fire hazard. So cleaning that out frequently is also a good idea. A good sign that you're going to have, or starting to have, a problem with your exhaust from the rear of your dryer being clogged with lint is that you're having to dry your clothes more than once in order for them to become fully dry. That will be your best cue that it's time for you to pull that dryer out and make sure that that exhaust hose from the rear that goes through the wall and out to the outside of your home is free of any accumulated lint. That's the pro tip for your laundry room. Folks, have a great day and stay fire safe.